Good morning, everyone. It's Miss Amira, Future Pioneers Language School, and our lesson today is about subtraction. First, let me tell you what happened with me yesterday. Yesterday, I lost my pen, and I asked Farida to give me one pen. Farida had 3 pens inside her pencil case, and I took away one pen for me. So, what is the number of pens which remained with Farida now? They are 1 and 2. They are 2 pens. So, do you think the number of pens decreased or increased with Farida now? For sure, it decreased. And that is the meaning of subtraction. Subtraction is about taking away a smaller number from bigger number. And I can represent the process of subtraction using the minus sign. Thus, I can say that 3 minus 1 equals 2. The 3 pens of Farida minus 1 pen I took away, so they are equal 2 pens. And you all know from the last term that the minus sign is naughty sign. Why? Because it makes the baby number leaves his mommy and go away. Where is the baby number? The baby number is a smaller number. So 1 is the baby, and 3, the bigger number, is its mommy. The baby is so sad. It wanna go back to his mom. Don't cry, baby number. I'll take you back to your mom. But first, let's see how many steps will the baby walk to reach its mommy. Okay, close your hand and count after the baby to reach mommy. Count after 1 to reach 3. After 1, 2, 3. So how many steps did the baby walk to reach its mommy? They are 1, 2. So it equals 2. Another example for subtraction. If I said 5 minus 2 equals, once I see the minus sign, I know that I have a baby and a mommy. And the baby is crying. The baby wanna reach its mommy. Where is the baby number? The baby number is a smaller number, which is 2. It is the baby, and he's so sad. He wanna go back to its mommy. Where is the mommy number? It's 5, the bigger number. Okay, baby, don't cry. I'll take you back to your mom. Close your hand and count after baby to reach mommy and see how many steps will the baby walk to reach its mommy. Count after 2 to reach 5. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many steps did the baby walk to reach its mommy? They are 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. So it equals 3. And this is how I can solve any equation for subtraction. And make sure that the mommy should come before the baby. I can't put the bigger number after the minus sign. The bigger number should always come in the beginning. And the baby number, which is a smaller number, comes after the minus sign. And note that from last term, you know that any number minus 0 equals itself. Thus, if I said 3 minus 0 equal what? For sure it equals itself. How come? I'll solve it with the same way. Where is the baby number? The baby number is smaller. 3 is the baby. He wanna go back to its mommy. The bigger number is the mommy. I'll close my hand and count after the baby to reach its mommy. Show me 0 on your finger. It's 0, nothing. 0 means nothing. Count after 0 to reach its mommy, which is 3. After 0, 1, 2, 3. So the baby will walk how many steps to reach its mommy? 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus 0 equals what? Equals 3. And if I said 2 minus 0 equals what? For sure, any number minus 0 equals itself. Let's make sure. Where is the baby number? The baby number is 0 and the mommy is 2. Close your hand and count after 0 to reach 2. That's 0 on my hand. After 0, 1, 2. So the baby will walk 2 steps to reach its mommy. It means that 2 minus 0 equals 2. So that any number minus 0 equals itself. I can say bye-bye 0 naughty and put 2. And another note that any number minus itself equals what? Equals 0. Thus, I can say that 3 minus 3 equals what? I'll solve it with the same way. Once I see minus sign, I know that I have baby and mommy. So where is the baby? Oh, it's 3 and 3. There is no baby. They are the same. There is no baby and there is no mommy. You are big, you can go alone. So he will walk no step to reach its mommy. It's 0. If you count after 3 to reach 3, you will count nothing. And if I said that 4 minus 4 equals what? Any number minus itself equals 0. And now, if you open your booklet page 55. Page 55. For example, if I said 7 minus 2 equals what? As you know, when I see the naughty minus, I know that I have a baby and a mommy. Where is the baby? The baby always comes after the minus sign, and it is the smaller number. Your mom is bigger than you, so for sure the baby is smaller than mommy. Thus 2 is the baby number. And where is the mommy? The mommy is the bigger number. And the mommy always comes first, comes before the minus sign. I can't take away 7 from 2, but I can take 2 from 7. So, number 7 is the mommy. And 2 wanna go back to its mommy, which is 7. Okay, don't cry 2. I close my hand and count after 2 to reach 7. Close your hand and count how many steps will 2 walk to reach 7. And if I draw the line of numbers 6, 7, and 8, for example, the mommy is here. Mommy is 7 and the baby is here is 2. I'll see how many steps will 2 walk to reach 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I see on my hand, count after 2 to reach 7, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the baby will walk 5 steps to reach its mommy. So it equals 5. And thus, if I find 70 minus 2 equals what? I'll see. Do you remember when we said that you have a magic with your fingers? It means I have a usual hand and I can count by ones on my hand, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if I hide my usual hand and put my magical fingers or magical hands, I can count by tens on my magical fingers, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It's my magical hand. So, with the same way, I can count after the baby number to reach the mommy or to reach the bigger number. It's so easy to draw and try it at home. So I'll count after the baby, which is 20, to reach 70. It's my magical hand. Count after 20. 30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So, how many steps did the baby walk to reach its mommy? They are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So, it equals 50. And another way to solve this problem, like you do in the addition, if they are two-digit number minus two-digit number, both of them ends with 0. 70 ends with 0 and 90 ends with 0. I can ignore the zeros together. I can take the 0 and put inside my pocket and solve it like 7 minus 2. And here I said that 7 minus 2 equal 5. I'll put 5. And what about the 0 inside my pocket? Will I take it? No, I'll give it back to the answer. I'll give it back to the 5. So the answer is 50. So you have two ways to solve these equations. Either you count on your magical hand from the baby to reach mommy, or to ignore the zeros. But take care that the magic works only if the two number ends with 0 and if the two number are two digits number. Okay, let's see another example. If I said 4 minus 2, oh my god, I found minus. Minus sign is a devil one. It means that I have a baby and a mommy, and the baby is in a problem. I have to help him and take him back to his mommy. Don't cry, baby number. Where is the baby here? The baby is a smaller number, 2. And where is the mother? Mommy is 4. Don't cry too. I'll take it to your mom. Number 4. Okay, I'll close my hand and see how many steps will the 2 walk to reach its mommy, which is 4. I will count after 2 to reach 4. After 2, 3, 4. So how many steps did the baby walk to reach its mommy? It's 1, 2, 2 steps. So it equals 2. Okay. If I said 40 minus 20. 40 minus 20, it is two-digit number minus two-digit number. Both of them ends with 0. 40 ends with 0 and 20 ends with 0. Never mind, I can count it. I will count after 20 to reach the bigger number, which is 40. And here is my magical hand. Close it and count after 20 to reach 40. After 20, 30, 40. So how many steps did 20 walk to reach 40? They are 10, 20. So the answer is 20. Another way to solve this problem, if I find a two-digit number minus two-digit number and both of them ends with 0, I can ignore 0 together. Take 0 and put inside my pocket. And solve it like 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, as we solve it up, it's equal 2. And what about the 0? I'll give it back to number 2. So the answer is 20. Here, another example. 6 minus 3. When I find the minus sign, I will know that I have a baby and a mommy. The mommy, which is a bigger number, it always comes before the minus sign. So I'll count from the baby to reach mommy. Where is the baby here? The baby is a smaller number, which is 3. Count after 3 to reach its mommy, which is a bigger number, 6. Okay, I'll close my